friends! Welcome to day 1 of distance learning with our writing lessons. Today we are going to start another all about book. Just like we wrote one last week where we were teaching people all about something, we're writing another all about book where we're teaching people all about things again, but a different something this time. We're going to start off making those lists so that we can decide what to write about. Let's get into it.
All right, let's read our ICANN statement first. I can write all about books. Remember, these are books all about something. So I started out by asking myself the question, what can I write about? I want you to take some time, so go ahead and pause the video now and make a list. See if an adult can help you. Make a list about the things that you think you can write about. Here's some of the things that Miss Day thought she could write about. Cats, horses, games, and paint. Oh, but I see a couple of topics on here that I have already written about. I've already written a book about cats, so I'm going to take that off my list. And I just wrote a book about horses, so I'm going to take that off of my list. So I just have it down to 2 that I need to pick between. So I would like for you to pause the video and make a list of some things that you think you can write about. Welcome back. I hope that you have a good topic picked. I've decided that I'm going to pick the topic games. I'm going to pick the topic games. So the first thing that I'm going to do before I even start my book is I'm going to come over here and I'm going to write down all the facts that I know about games. So I'm going to give myself some space here and I'm going to write down what I know about games. I know that games are fun to play. I know that there are many different kinds of games. I know that there are board games. There are make-believe games. There's video games. There's card games. Games have rules. All right. Oh, and then you can play them with other people. But you can also play them by yourself. I have a lot of facts about games. While I was writing facts about games, I hope that you were writing facts about what you are going to be writing about. Now, if you need more time to write down your facts about your topic, pause the video now. But if you have some facts written down, then we're going to go ahead and get started on the first page. Now remember, I'm not doing anything to my front cover yet. We're going to worry about that last. Let's look at this page. Now, I need a good first page that's going to get people interested in my topic. So I can write something like, games are really fun. And that was my first fact, so I'm going to take that off my list. Games are really fun. What else could I write? They are a great way to pass the time. Now notice that I did a space in between every word, and I did a capital letter at the beginning of my sentences, and I did some punctuation at the end. I did an exclamation point at the end of my first sentence because I'm not saying games are really fun. I'm saying Games are really fun. And then I did a period at the end of this sentence. So let's draw a picture. I could draw a picture of some different types of games. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to draw a picture of, let's see, a board game. Let's see, maybe Candyland. I'll write that. Oops, broke my pencil lead. I'll write that on my board. Candyland. Candyland. And then I know that it's got like cupcakes and like the little game board and ice cream cones. And what else does Candyland have? Oh, just like little pieces of candy everywhere. Maybe a sucker. There we go. And then I'm going to do maybe some cards, because there's all kinds of card games out there. I'm hoping maybe we'll have some pages to write about that in our book. While I'm doing this, you should be working on your book page. All right, we got some cards and then video games. I'll draw a game controller. All right, and that's the first page of my book. I think that that is enough work on that book today. I can go in and color my picture if I want to. We're going to go into our next few pages tomorrow.
Well, I think that just about does it for today, friends. Thank you so much for learning and writing with me today, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.